What's up everyone, the Tech Piano Player Kid here, and before we get into the video, I just want to let you know this is kind of lengthy. Usually it wouldn't be that long, but it's kind of long because in the second half of the video, I call it after the first Siren test is done, and sorry for my devices going off in the background, I was talking about some kind of weird signal I got on my my walkie-talkies, which also has a weather radio on it. And I'm explaining on there. So usually it would be a lot shorter, but that's why I was talking, and then I was trying to get the signal back, which I couldn't, and so yeah, that ended up happening. And so I also got the second part of the test in there too. The reason why I'm doing this is because someone requested for me to do that, and people, can you please stop texting me for just 2 seconds? Where he wanted me to I don't know if he wanted me to upload to my channel or something, but he wanted to kind of, just have me record a test of our tornado siren. It's like, okay. So, I happened to be standing by my window, so I opened it and recorded it that way. So yeah, let's get into the video. Sorry for the lengthy video, and let's get started.
Welcome to the Tech Piano Player Kid, where you will find piano tutorials, technology demonstrations, audio game demonstrations and more. Thanks for watching. Now, let's start the video.
Tilt left. Level. Speech off. That is our sirens going off for the monthly test. I was trying to get in on my weather radio, but right now it's out. It seems like the weather radio is down or something. Hold on, guys. Let's see if I can get it again here. Maybe I can get it this time. Wow, from here my window it's loud. Wow. Oof. Like, I even have the window open. And can I get my... Yeah, I think the weather thing is down. I think that completes the test. Unless it goes off again. Alexa, what time is it? Nope. That was the second time it went off, I think. Unless it's going to go off again, I don't know. But we will see. Okay, guys, so I was just here on the radio, and literally someone broadcasted, and I heard the siren literally going off on here. Like, it was really faint, but like there's some static in there, but you could actually hear it. That was creepy. Like, usually it would be like a little like a little sound that thing's going off, or like, like the little sound tester thing. But on here, on this Midland weather radio, on this Midland radio, I heard the siren going off. Like, I thought it was just some static feedback, but I listened really closely and I was like, wait, I hear the siren going off on here. Like, it's really faint, so it's like someone was broadcasting. That was weird. Like, that was so strange. I'm gonna stay here in case this goes off again. Because I want you to guys hear it, if I can get this back. Oops. No, that's not what I wanted. But I think it was someone broadcasting, though. But yeah, that was so strange. Like, it didn't make any sense. Like, it wasn't any static. Like, it wasn't here the little... It was like someone was, like holding down the PTT button, I think it's called. And that's where I heard the siren going off, like, really faint. Like, it was just, like... let me see if I can... Maybe I can hit the scan button here and maybe I can get it back. I doubt it. And yeah, you hear a dog barking in the background, but I think the siren test is done. Unless it's gonna go off again. But I don't think so, because I think they do it once at... Hang on, that's static coming up. Okay, yep. There we go. I have a movie here, I think it's just some static coming up. But yeah, it was really weird. Let me see if I can get some... why can't I get this out of here? I'm trying to... There we go. Yeah, but it was really weird. Like, it totally made no sense. Unless there was some, like, feedback from, like, another station where I got some broadcast. Or unless someone hit the broadcast button, someone hit their PTT button by accident. I don't know. It was weird. But next time I will try to get the actual whole siren on video. Because you didn't hear the whole thing go off. Yeah, but it was like... I was trying to get the weather radio to show up, but it just wouldn't. Like, if I press and hold... Oops. If I press and hold the menu button on here, it should come on. Oh! Ooh, that doesn't sound too good. That doesn't sound too good. Let me see if I can try and get the other one to work, because it seems like that one... Oh, there it goes again. Hang on, let's not get it on here. Come on. Let me see if I can get the other one. Oh, so I think it's the broadcast. So let me see if maybe I can get the yeah, maybe I can get the test signal on here. I doubt it, but I can see if I can get it on here. But like, listen to that. Isn't that kind of? It's kind of creepy sounding. Like there's two sirens going off. Yeah, it's actually going in a circle. I think it's rotating. I think. It's weird. What the heck? Now it's not even coming. What? Okay, let me see if I can get this. Oh, come on. There. Okay. But yeah, it's weird. But yeah, I'm just saying here because I'm trying to get the signal back on here because I literally got a signal on here with this other siren going off. It was weird. But yeah, guys, imagine this going off when. Yep, that is the tornado siren. Okay, now let me see if I can get the signal back. I got it, but yeah, it was weird. Like I got a signal on here that made the siren was going off on this thing. Like this thing right here. Like not an actual siren, but like the sound, it was like a record. It was like someone broadcasting, or not broadcasting. Sorry, it's like someone was like, like when you press the PTT button, the push to talk button on the side of on the walkie-talkie. It's like someone was holding it down and broadcasting the siren, unless I got a signal from someone who was doing it and they were like the test people or something. I don't know. So now the thing comes back. So I wonder if, like, I don't know. It's interesting. Like, you would think that the test signal, like when they're testing the signal, like you would think that you'll be hearing the test, like the little, like, this is only a test. Please disregard any signals or whatever. And apparently, no, that's not the case. Okay, I need to see if I can. I'm trying to get this thing to stop broadcasting, and apparently I can't. I think I know what's going on. Yeah, well, we'll see. If I can get something, then I'll try to get it on video, but probably not. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted someone requested me to record the tornado siren test, and I was like, okay, I'll record it. And I was gonna go outside, but then I was like, you know what? Let's do it from my window. And apparently, oof, yeah, you can definitely hear from my window. It won't wake you up, but boy, imagine that thing going off when you're like just in your room by yourself and that thing goes off. Kind of creepy sounding. Although I've heard the Chicago one is a lot creepier. The one in downtown Chicago. It's someone told me, like, I thought it was broken apparently, and someone's like, no, it's supposed to sound like that. I'm like, that sounds like a haunted ice cream truck. Go check it out, guys. It's just look for downtown Chicago tornado siren, and you will see what I'm talking about, because it literally sounds like a haunted ice cream truck. It's creepy. Anyway, that's it for this video. So yeah. Anyway, see you guys later. God bless and peace.
Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow my Twitter, which is linked to my channel. For more questions, email me at thetechpianoplayerkid@gmail.com.